GlamFam. Today you will see that I have majority of my makeup done already, and that is because I have already filmed this portion of the look. If it is up yet, I will link it up here if you'd like to see how I did it. But on to more exciting things. Today we are going to be testing out the LashLiner system. This is a brand that claims that we can put a certain liner on, and in this liner is something that is magnetic, and there's magnets on these lashes. I am so excited. I am so excited. We're just gonna jump in. This is what the liner looks like. It's a cute little bottle. And then this is what the lashes look like. I really, really love that they give you individual lashes as well as your regular lashes. I think that is so amazing. If you guys can look closely, these are little magnets, and then there's also little magnets along this band. So here's my hand. We are going to test this out in 3 ways. Regular kohl liner, liquid liner. I'm going to do that here. Regular liquid liner. So we're going to do 3 tests. We're going to layer this liner on top of this liner, and then itself, on itself, I guess. And we're going to see if the magnets stick to all 3. Okay, so first off, I'm just going to be honest. That looks crazy, crazy messy, because it doesn't take all of the liner off, but maybe you need a lot of liner. Let's see. So first we're going to paint it on this one. All right, that's pretty black. That's pretty black. Then we're gonna go over the regular liner one, and then we're going to create our own. That's pretty black, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Magnet eyeliner on top of magnet eyeliner. There are the 3 tests. We're going to let this dry and then see if the lashes stick to this before we do it on our own eyes. I'm really hoping that I can do my eyeliner with regular eyeliner and then put this over it, only because I feel like I'm just really used to my liner. So the directions say, using the included brush, apply a thin line of magnetic eyeliner to the eyelid, just above the natural lash line. We did that. Right here. Allow to dry for 30 seconds. Repeat and allow to dry for 1 minute. When liner is tacky but not wet, hold the lash with small magnets towards the eyeliner. Lash will magnetically connect to the eyeliner. If the lash does not connect well, add another coat of liner and allow to dry until tacky. Add 1 more liner coat to all 3. Just like that. I'm sorry if you guys hear my fan in the background. It's really hot in my house right now, and it just thunderstormed, so it's really muggy, so I'm sorry. I really love how it comes with a little mirror on the lash case. I think that is genius, and I love it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out of the lash pack, and I'm actually going to apply this with tweezers just to be really precise. Here we go. First attempt on the regular liner. Oh, okay, it's definitely trying to grab. It is definitely magnet. Look at that, look at that, look how good that stuck. Can you guys see it trying to connect? Look, I'll just touch this one little corner. Do you see it? That was on the regular liner. Oh, it's sticking. It's magnetizing to the liner that's over. Oh, look, it caught itself. Oh my God. We're gonna say that that is a yes, because it is 100% trying to stick. Then over kohl liner, it does the same thing, guys. Look, guys, I know it's not touching in the middle because my hand isn't curved, but look. Even just with those two magnets touching, it's staying. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. I'm gonna go wash my hands and we're gonna do this for real on our eyes. I'm using my normal NYX Epic Ink liner to do the line on this look. We are going to let this dry, and I'm going to curl my lashes just a little bit because they point down, and then I will be back to put on the magnetic eyeliner. I am back with a super small amount of mascara on, just so my lashes blend in with the falsies. It does have a weird smell, a smell that you would obviously associate to metal, but that is to be expected. Couldn't find anything on the internet stating that this was like super dangerous, and they are cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, latex-free, and paraben-free. It's gonna go in and do a really thin line right above my lashes. All right, we're gonna let that dry for a few seconds and then go in with another layer. Another layer. It does have a different consistency than any kind of eyeliner, but once again, you'd expect that because it's not like any other kind of eyeliner. Problem that I didn't foresee: metal tweezers. What is wrong with me? Like, look, they're definitely magnetic. See that? Yeah, that's definitely not a scam. Yeah, that's definitely magnets. I'm going to try to do this without tweezers, even though I literally apply every falsie I put on with tweezers. Anyway, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Here we are, up close and personal. Shut up. I mean, that's not that bad for the first attempt. It is a little wanky right here, but oh my gosh. What? Wait. Okay, we're gonna do that again. What the heck? Those are very pretty lashes, by the way. Oh my Lanta. Oh my god, it actually works, guys. Okay, like, look. They come off really easy, right? But they also go on really easy. Look at that. Look at that. How? Look, and they actually look pretty good. Oh my gosh, guys. This could be a game changer. All right, so when I pulled it off that time, it took a little bit of the magnetized liner with it, so I'm just going to reapply in the corner of my eye. All right, guys, I'm as close as I can get in. Let's do this. It's already wanting to stick. No, not yet. That's it. How is this not everywhere? I can't. This has went on way too long. I wanted this to be a short video. Like, I was thinking like 15 minutes. I've been doing this for like 45 minutes just because I can't get over how easy it is to put on. They're pretty on there, guys. Like, they don't feel loose. They don't feel like they're gonna come off. They don't feel like they're gonna just fall off. Like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Here we go. How No! Okay, listen, I know it may look like I am like overreacting, but this is freaking insane. Like, how is this possible? These are in the style Dallas, by the way. They are smaller on the corner and then get wider and more more thicker on the edge. So, they're on. Guys, they're on. Can you look at this? Look at it. It doesn't even, like, I thought there was like gonna be like weird spacing where the metal wasn't touching and it was just the band just sitting there, but no! This is like legit, like, all right, I'm zooming out for my final thoughts. My final thoughts are, these are awesome. I'm not sure how good they'll hold up, like as an all-day wear, but I'm sure these would hold up for like a date night, a photo shoot, obviously. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how well this works on my Snapchat and my Instagram and my Facebook, so please go check it out and follow me if you guys want updates on that. If you guys want to get your hands on some of these lashes, I will link them down below. If you do buy them, I do get a small commission for things that are sold after you click my link. It helps me out so much. And just because I am an affiliate with this system does not mean I'm not giving you my true opinion. Everything in this video is first reaction and completely the truth. Also, they're super comfortable. They actually almost feel like I have nothing on, which is crazy because when you put on false lashes, they're comfortable too, but you get this tightening sensation a little bit after the glue is dry. You don't get that with these. Like, it feels like I have nothing on. Again, if you guys would like to try this brand out, this is the LashLiner system. Click the link down in the description. That is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!